Kia ora, my name's Ahli, and we're here at Athletics today interviewing some people. Let's get it. So guys, we're going to interview Ariro from our flashbacks at camp. So let's get it. Hello, what is your name?
Ariro.
Can you speak louder, please?
Ariro.
And how do you feel about today in this weather?
I don't like it.
Oh, is that right? So, do you think you're gonna cook in any of these sports?
Nope.
Do you think you're gonna win a medal?
No.
Okay, bye now. Be interviewing Mato Sam. What's your name?
Gee, you already know my name, Nikos.
Hurry up, tell your name.
Macho Sam.
Is it true that William beat Mato Max in Clash Royale
Yeah, he definitely did.
and beat Jade?
But Macho Max, to be unfair, was not focused.
So the guy with the 10k trophies was not focused and losing to a guy that's only in the jungle arena.
That's true.
Hello, father. What's your name?
You guys are weirdest. My name's Jade.
And how do you feel about athletics today in this rainy weather?
I don't even want to be here, man.
Do you think you're gonna cook? Do you think you're gonna cook?
Yeah, these kids all suck.
Do you think you're gonna get like a medal or something?
No.
What do you think you're gonna like? Wait, what was that? Oh, is it true that William beat you in Clash Royale?
Actually, first of all, it's bait, not bait. Yeah, he did, because he's such a weirdo. I wasn't even playing properly, but then I beat him twice in a row. I said that wrong.
So what's the emote that he was spamming? Can you say it?
I'm not saying it.
Okay, that's the interview with my father. Jade. So thank you guys for watching. Hello, what's your name?
Manoa,
And how old are you?
7,
And what color are you wearing right now?
yellow,
And what's your favorite athletics right now?
the jumping.
Have you came first, second, or third?
Yeah,
And what? What did you place in what sport? When you have to throw it, what place did you come?
third,
Oh, that's cool. And what are you doing now?
the jumping.
Are you gonna be good? Good. Hi, who are we here with?
William.
And how has your day been today with all the athletics and that?
Very nice.
Have you won anything?
I came second
And
third. And second and third.
what did you come second in?
The 800 meters. And then third in the high jump. And then... Actually, I don't know what place I came for the 100 meter, but...
What do you think of the day right now?
Stop burping.
Oh, cool.
Oh, wait, what are you doing?
Nah, go away. Go away, grandfather. Kiara, what is your name?
My name is Diamond.
And have you came like first, second, or third at athletics today?
I just got it because it's perfect.
Okay, so do you know what you got first?
No, I do not. We just had what is it? Shot put.
Did you win anything at shot put?
No.
Do you think you're gonna cook in the runs?
Yes.
Hey! Woo! Hello, what's your name?
Tiguru.
And what's been your favorite activity so far?
Running.
And have you placed somewhere?
Yep, first.
For what?
The 200 meter sprint.
Okay, that's cool. And who's your favorite teacher?
Fashri.
And who's your best friend?
Harasa and Marek.